Next out, the 12:52 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Bradford Interchange. 18 to 104. For Bradford, the 13:24 Rail Trains Paragon service from Hull to London King's Cross. (802-301). Next out, the 1308 Eleni Arizona from London King's Cross to York. 801-211. (801-211) for York.
Harrogate. This train has 5 coaches. Due to
Next, a West Coast Railway, a Railtour service for round South Yorkshire, I think he said he was going. Yeah, because they've just announced that LNER on this platform, so that's why I had to go. I didn't know it would win. In the distance, the 12:58 LNER Arizona from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, and onto platform 4 will be the 13:01 LNER Arizona from London to Edinburgh. For Edinburgh Waverley.
Due to a short platform, passengers for Postcode should board the rear 4 coaches. First class.
Next up, a fast train from Aberdeen to London King's Cross. (801-213). Next out, the 13:05 LNER Intercity 225 service from Leeds to London King's Cross. The 13:01 LNER Arizona from London King's Cross to Harrogate. 800-202. And behind me, the 13:08 LNER Arizona from Edinburgh to London. 801-218. For London King's Cross and Harrogate. (801-208). Next in, the 13:08 LNER Intercity 225 service from Leeds to London. H225 leading the train. Bobby Robson on that one.